Hello everyone! Today we are going to be removing a valve cover on a 92 F150 with a 5.0. One of the first things you're going to want to do is go ahead and pop this PCV valve out and just go ahead and get that out of the way. And now you can go ahead and I've already messed with this wiring harness here. There is a clip holding it on to each stud on each side of the valve cover. So you might have to pry those clips off, and then you can just lift up on this harness here, and it should be able to get it up and out of the way. There you go. It's a little bit of tight clearance here with that coolant line right there, but you can bend it out of the way and off of there. And then there's also that EGR tube. I am going to go ahead and unclip all of these injectors so I can go ahead and move that harness completely out of the way. One more sensor that needs to be unplugged, this coolant sensor here. Gonna need to unplug that at the front of the engine. You may not have to. I'm having a little bit of trouble getting this harness off with this EGR tube here anyway. So, and I broke it, as you can see, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take off this EGR tube to get it out of the way. So now that all that's out of the way, should be easy to get this harness out of the way. There we go. And then carefully pull the wires through this, under this coolant tube. And there we go, it's out of the way enough. So now we can get to all these bolts on the valve cover here. And some of these studs will have spark plug wire organizers on them. And just pull them off. The hardest one for me to get to on this has been this one right here underneath this coolant tube. But I've had this off, the coolant tube off before, so it might not be in the same exact position as yours might be. So I just went ahead and put a pry bar between the valve cover and that tube and just kind of pried it out of the way a little bit. So now I'm able to get my socket in. And so that should be it. Might have to pry this off. Okay, so I was able to pry that loose, so it should just come off. You're gonna want to be careful with these vacuum lines not to break them, or any of these wires. Those vacuum lines especially, they could be brittle. we go. There's all the rockers. So here's the valve cover off. Goes on like that. There's a bolt 1, 2, 3 on the outside, and 1, 2, 3 on the inside there. So once you get all those bolts out, you can pry it loose gently and then gently get it out. That's the end of this video. Now I'm gonna see if all these rockers are moving when I turn over the engine, so I can see if I can figure out what my no compression issue is on cylinder 3 here. So that'll be my next video.